gotcha.
I only have my cord.
I have the one that's thick. You can use this one, and I have the big one for my iPad.
Okay.
So I have an iPad.
Cool.
And I have a MacBook Air.
I don't care.
For free.
Cool. I have a MacBook too for free.
I'm messaging Brandon saying, where the fuck did you go?
Who?
Brandon. Just for shits, you know. It's only on Instagram.
I love calling him Michael. Oh, he's like, hey Dolan, Michael? Honestly, I'm literally not kidding. I'm not sleeping with you half the time.
Come on, Roger. Scare the shit out of me.
You want me to?
Yeah.
Please do.
I'm trying not to notice.
I can't. I mean, that's just a horrible thing to do.
Please do
I'm
it.
giving you the okay. Oh my god! I feel like they're gone. Oh my god!
Are they gone?
Yes! Thanks, Roger. You're the shit.
Yeah, I
Thanks,
know.
Roger.
Did you get that all in video?
No, I only got the ending.
Oh my god, that scared the bejesus out of me.